In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN ad blocker. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to switch it on, and what to expect once it's active. NordVPN includes a built-in tool designed to cut down on annoying ads, stop trackers from following you across sites, and help block access to known malicious pages. Depending on your plan and app version, you'll see it referred to as Threat Protection or Threat Protection Pro, and the specific toggle you want is labeled Web Protection or Ad and Tracker Blocker. The names may vary slightly, but the purpose is the same: a cleaner, faster, and safer browsing experience without extra extensions. Start by opening the NordVPN application on your device. Give it a moment to load so the interface fully appears. You don't need to do anything else at this stage. Just make sure you're on the main screen of the app so the navigation is visible. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the shield icon. This shield is your gateway to the security tools beyond simple VPN connections. When you click it, you'll be taken to the threat protection area. Think of this page as your control center for ad and tracker blocking, phishing protection, and related safeguards, all managed by NordVPN directly. Inside this section, find Threat Protection or Threat Protection Pro, and locate the switch labeled Web Protection or Ad and Tracker Blocker. Toggle that switch to on. When it's enabled, you'll typically see the switch change color or the status text confirm that protection is active. That's all you need to do. From this point forward, NordVPN will work behind the scenes to block many ads, stop common tracking scripts, and help flag known dangerous domains before they load. Once it's on, you should notice web pages feeling less cluttered and often loading faster because fewer ad elements are being pulled in. You can leave this protection enabled all the time. It's designed to run quietly without getting in your way. If a particular site doesn't behave correctly, maybe a video won't start or a button doesn't respond, you can return to the same screen and temporarily flip the toggle off, then turn it back on when you're done. To recap, open the NordVPN app, click the shield icon in the left sidebar, and switch on Threat Protection or the Ad and Tracker Blocker. That's it. Enjoy a cleaner, smoother browsing experience with extra peace of mind as you explore the web.